Practice set 1.1, question 1. Write the following sets in the roster form. Now, roster form, if you remember, it is the listing method. The other name for listing method is roster method or roster form. So, what have they said? Set of, first one is even numbers, that is even natural numbers. Okay, so let me add this set of even natural numbers. Now, when they say set of even natural numbers, I have to write it in the listing method. If you remember, I have said always we write the set. When we write the set, we have to name the set. So, say suppose we start with the letter A itself. So, A is equal to, we know when we write the elements of a set, we have to write it inside curly brackets. So, let me put the curly brackets first only. Even natural numbers, the first even natural number is 2, then it goes on to 4, 6, 8. So, I can write 2, 4, 6, 8. So, we cannot list all the natural numbers whichever are there. So, we must write at least 4, and after the fourth natural number, I will put a comma and then I will put dots, which means that it continues this way. We don't know which will be the last even natural number, so we leave it at this. So, this is how we write the set in the listing method or the roster form or roster method. Coming to the second one, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Now, each time we don't need to give the name of the set as A itself. Here I can write the name of the set as B. Okay, even prime number. Now, the first even prime number from 1 to 50 is 2. Okay, after that, if we talk about the even numbers, after 2 are 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. But none of them, if you try to list each of them, none of them are prime numbers. So, the set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50 will be only this number, that is 2. Or in other words, there is only one even prime number, that is 2. So, this set will contain just one element, that is 2. So, we can close the bracket here. Now, going to the set of negative integers. Now, when I say negative integers, I must have the minus sign for each of them. The smallest integer is 1. So, smallest negative integer will be minus 1. So, when I am writing the set of negative integers, then I can write here, I name the set maybe C is equal to, then I will use the curly bracket and then write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. After writing 4 elements, we put a comma and then put dash and then close the bracket. So, this is the set of negative integers. Now, coming to the next set, which is the 7 basic sounds of a sargam. Okay, it is called a sur, which all the basic sounds together forms a sur. So, those who have learnt music will know this very well. Okay, so here let us say, because it is the sounds and it is referring to sargam, will represent it by the capital letter S. Okay, now what are those basic sounds? Those who have learnt different instruments like violin or tabla, you will know it starts with sa, okay, then re, ga, ma, pa, then da and ni. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So these are if we know and if we can count the elements. Okay, so like that here we have only 7 elements. You just can't write sa re ga and put dash dash and keep it. Okay, you have to list all the elements, even if they are up to 20 or 30 and we know the elements, we will list them. But if it is not ending or we are not sure or it is infinite number, like when we are talking about integers or we are talking about natural numbers or odd numbers, then there is no surety what is the end of it, which is the last number. So that is the time we put dot dot and then close the curly bracket. Okay, so this is question 1. Now let us go to question 2. Here we have write the following symbolic statements in words. Now these are written in symbols, we have to write it in words. That is, this element, that is 4 by 3, it belongs to Q. So what does this mean? That is, this 4 by 3 belongs to Q is nothing but rational numbers, or it is a set of rational numbers. So we can say 4 by 3 belongs to the set of rational numbers, or 4 by 3 is an element of the set Q. Okay, so let me write according to the symbol given here. 4 by 3 belongs to the set of rational numbers, and the set of rational numbers is represented by the letter Q, so I have written Q. Now here have your minus 2 and n, and in between if you see the symbol, it is belongs to with a cut on it, which means does not belong to. So minus 2 does not belong to the set of, n is the set of natural numbers, so I write here minus 2 does not belong to the set of, okay, n is natural number, so to the set of natural numbers. Next one, we have here P is equal to, so P is the set of all P such that P is an odd number. This line I told you is such that. So P, will write capital P, is the set of all small p such that small p is an odd number. So let me write P is the set of all P such that P is an odd number. Okay, so this is question 2. Now proceeding to question 3.